Look at that softness. Can you feel it from your screen? Oh my God. Can you believe this is a type 4 hair? Soft, lush, hydrated. Okra. All right. Welcome back to my channel, dear Royal. So good to have you here. If this is your first time, welcome to the family. If you're returning, so good to have you back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As always, today I have a very interesting topic to show to you. You can actually get your type 4 hair or any hair that's very manageable, soft, and get it super moisturized, hydrated. In that instance, you are going to retain a whole lot of length. Then you'll notice that your hair is growing and getting thicker with okra and rosemary. Now, if you are ever interested in growing a healthy, gorgeous hair, you're in the right spot. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and head with me to my kitchen. Let's make this okra and rosemary hair sensation. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen, dear royals. This is our key ingredient, okra. This is freshly plucked from my garden, about 12 or thereabout. And I went ahead and chopped it. Please cut it whatever way you like because we're going to eventually boil it. Second ingredient is rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, you can use it. I'm using the dried, crushed rosemary, and I'm only using a tablespoon, and I had about 400 ml of water in a pot, and I'm boiling it with the lid open. This is a straightforward, simple, super short tutorial with okra and rosemary. Okay, please boil with the pot lid open and a medium to low heat. Okra, like we know, is very rich in vitamins A, C, K, calcium, potassium, and has lots and lots of nutrients that are good for our hair, for growth, moisturizing dry scalp, getting rid of dandruff. Look, okra can get your curl game going. It's gonna pop your curls, moisturize your hair, hydrate your hair. You're gonna have maximum hydration for over 14 days. And listen, okra can soften your hair and make detangling a child's play. So I went ahead and strained my okra and rosemary into a bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dispense it into just any kind of bottle that you have. And I added a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil because of the moisturizing effect of that oil. Please add any carrier oil of choice, whatever you have at home. Now, this is the first way we can use this leave-in or hair softener as a pre-poo. Look, Snow White's hair is dry in this instance. Just trying to refresh this hair. Look at this. Look at how soft it got it. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. And the rosemary that we added, rosemary is really good with stimulating scalp circulation. So by all means, if you wanted to massage it into the scalp, that's perfect. The second way we're using this is as a complete leave-in. Go ahead and wash the hair. Water is the best moisturizer on earth. So the hair already has its water moisturizer. And I added the okra and rosemary treatment or leave-in conditioner, whatever you want to call it. I call it sensation. Look, it detangled the hair without me trying to do nothing. Curls pop pain the hair. And hey, okra can also darken your hair and slow down the effect of graying, or yeah. So I just went ahead and detangled the hair in sections, and this is it. This is not just about detangling. This is what I'm going to leave in the hair for the next 14 days or so before her next wash day. Oh, look at the shine. the softness. This is a type 4 hair, type 4B hair, and the hair is so soft. You would almost think this is a 3C. It's so soft. Curls popping, hair dark from the effects of okra. Hair looks so rich, and just because, like I said, you can massage your scalp with it because it has the rosemary if you wanted to use this as a hair growth treatment. Now look at that okra and rosemary treatment with the extra virgin olive oil. Final result: bouncy, lush, beautiful, soft, juicy twist.